In this video, I am sharing an application which is a voice assistant that uses Retrieval-Augmented Generation. Users can upload a PDF and ask questions about it. The application gives reply to your questions both in text and in voice. We will build a completely local AI PDF chatbot using open source tools. There is no OpenAI API, no cloud services, and there is no API keys. By the end of this video, you will have an AI assistant that can upload PDFs, answer questions using Retrieval-Augmented Generation. It can understand voice input and generate natural sounding speech. So let me show the demo first. Here is what our application can do. First, upload your PDF documents. Then create vector embeddings and store them in a FAISS vector database. Here we need to add the tag. Basically, tag means what is the PDF is about. For example, if we are uploading a PDF that contains information about a hospital, we can add the tag as hospital. Or if we are adding a PDF that contains information about doctor's details, we can specify that doctor as the tag. Basically, tag depends on your PDF content. Adding a tag will help you to get the result later based on the tag. Once the vector embeddings was created, we can ask questions. Here we can ask questions either by typing or by speaking through your microphone. It converts your speech into text. The application retrieves the most relevant information from your PDFs. Here I am uploading the PDF that contains dummy content about a hospital. Its doctor's name, facilities, etc. Now I am asking to get the names of the doctors and departments.
The following is a list of doctors along with their respective departments based on the provided context. Ethan Hall, Urology. Dr. Natalie Young, Psychiatry. Dr. Rajesh Patel, Nephrology. Dr. Priya Sharma, Internal Medicine Departments include Emergency Medicine, Dr. Emily Carter. General Medicine, Dr. Michael Anderson. Family Medicine, Dr. Sarah Thompson. Cardiology, Dr. Emily Carter.
List the names of the doctors. Now I will ask about the visitors policy. Here I am uploading a different PDF that contains the overview of a company, which is a dummy content. And I will ask, is remote work available? As you can see, it gives the answer as per the document and also gives the voice output.
Remote work is mentioned in the context as an option for eligible roles under working hours, specifically noting that hybrid and remote work are available with manager approval. However, there is no explicit indication that remote work is non-existent or unavailable.
For this project, we are using several powerful open source tools. Streamlit provides a simple and clean user interface. LangChain helps us load and split PDF documents into smaller chunks. FAISS, which is a vector database that stores those embeddings for fast similarity search. Whisper handles speech-to-text conversation. In this project, we are using the medium version of this model. Kokoro generates high-quality text-to-speech completely offline. We also have Ollama, which runs our language model locally to answer questions. Together, these tools create a complete voice assistant. The Python version that I used for this application is 3.11.9 because some of the libraries of the text to audio and audio to text doesn't support the latest version of the Python. Now we can check the basic architecture of this application. Let's understand how everything works together. The process starts when the user uploads the PDF. The application extracts the text from those documents. Next, the text is divided into smaller chunks. Each chunk is converted into an embedding. Those embeddings are stored inside a FAISS vector database. When the user asks a question, either by typing or using voice, the application converts the query into embedding. In the FAISS vector database, the data is already saved as embeddings. FAISS searches for the most relevant document chunks. Those chunks are passed to Ollama as a context. Ollama generates an answer based only on retrieved information. Finally, Kokoro converts the answer into realistic speech and plays it back to the user. Here the model running in Ollama is DeepSeek R1 1.5. So that is how the whole application works. Now we can check the installation and setup. I am currently running this application only on Windows. Before the installation, you may need to install the FFmpeg. Since we are using Whisper, FFmpeg is required because the library Whisper uses FFmpeg to decode audio files before transcription. To install this library, you can check this URL. You also need to install the Ollama, which is a platform that runs your models locally. So download Ollama and install it. After that, you need to install the model that we want to use. Here I am using DeepSeek R1 1.5b. Once you install Ollama, you can pull this model. Now we can set up the application. For that, open the terminal, clone this repository, then change the directory to rag text to audio. Now activate the virtual environment. Then install all these dependent libraries. Once you are done with the installation, run the Streamlit application. In the browser, you can find the UI to upload the PDF, and now you can chat with the model. When the application creates text to audio, it may take time depending on your system configuration that you have, and it also depends on the length of your output that we got from the model. You can find the link to the application in the description below. Please check it out and let me know if any questions. So that's all about today's video. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.